कौन सी वॉच है ये?
This is Audemars Piguet. This is a AP discontinued model 2022.
कितने की है ये?
This is about 45 lakhs.
तो ये 45 लाख की वॉच अगर तू पहन के जाता है तो लोग तुझे एंट्री देते हैं टेबल पे.
I mean, not literally, but
Man.
you get respect. You get respected.
In front of who?
In front of important people जिनके साथ आपको business करना. Like for example, let's say if I want to sit with traders and I'm showing up just like that in shorts with no proper dressing sense. Yeah, dressing sense देखो सबका अलग होता है. Everybody has their own preference. But I feel you need to have something that talks about you as a person, material wise.
Do you think इससे फर्क पड़ता है?
मुझे तो बहुत फर्क पड़ा है, especially in a society like Dubai.
इससे क्या?
जैसे कि दुबई में शोशा बहुत है. दुबई में if you don't have anything to show for, you will not be entertained as much.
Really?
Yes, क्योंकि ये मेरा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है लिविंग देयर फॉर द लास्ट 3-4 years. क्योंकि स्पेशली एज इंडियन यहाँ वहाँ पे मोस्ट ऑफ द लेबर क्लास इंडियन, पाकिस्तानी, नेपाली, बांग्लादेशी, these are all guys who are majorly in the construction side and all the labor jobs. So if you are not presentable, there's a high chance you might be considered in that category. Without, I mean, if you're going in an unknown crowd, there's a high chance. But of
कोई
course,
तुम्हें भाव नहीं देगा, तुम्हें बात
correct, कोई तुम्हें भाव नहीं देगा. तो you either need to show that you're rich, or you need to have that charisma where you are able to network with people, or you're able to just clearly show them that you can add some value. So without that, because initially जब मैं दुबई गया था तो मुझे बहुत देखने को मिला था ऐसा, because I was not entertained at all. Maybe because I was young, maybe because I didn't have proper dressing sense, कुछ भी होगा, जो भी था, but I saw it a lot in my initial years there.
So एक बार घड़ी आ गई, गाड़ी है?
गाड़ी नहीं है.
कार नहीं. So एक बार घड़ी आ गई and then you think it makes difference.
Yeah.
Do you think कार में भी Porsche, McLaren,
Yes,
Lamborghini
for
इन
sure.
सबसे फर्क पड़ता है?
फर्क पड़ेगा, because आप मीटिंग में उतर रहे हो, you're getting down from a supercar. Again, that's a milestone. And it is, देखो, it's not about, a lot of people get it wrong. A lot of people think कि just because उसके पास पैसा है तो उसकी respect कर रहे हैं. It's not about that. When you're an entrepreneur, when you're a businessman, these cars or these watches, they are like milestones for you. मतलब कि ठीक है, अब अगर इंसान एक 50 लाख रुपए की घड़ी खरीद रहा है, मतलब उसने कम से कम 3-4 करोड़ तो कमाए होंगे, या कम से कम 10 करोड़ कमाया होगा to splurge 50 lakhs on a watch.